If you want to turn on night mode for 10 to 30 seconds on your iPhone 17, 17 Pro or the 17 Pro Max, so here's how you can do that. First of all, just open the camera app. Now under the photo mode, just tap on the 6 dots over here. Now from this pop-up menu, you will find the option of night mode. Now just tap on night mode until you turn on night mode max. Now after you turn on night mode max, your iPhone will automatically set the suitable night mode duration according to your lighting conditions. Now since this area is well lit, the iPhone's camera is showing night mode for 3 seconds. But if you're using night mode in a very dark and dim condition, the night mode duration will increase to 10 or 30 seconds. Now for example, I will turn off the lights. And as you can see, the night mode duration has increased from 3 seconds to 30 seconds. And if I turn the lights back on, the night mode duration will go down to 2 or 1 second. And in some cases, your night mode will automatically be disabled if you are in a very good lighting condition. So if you want to do astrophotography, just make sure you place your iPhone on a tripod and make sure that your environment is very dark. And turn off any light source if you have turned on to get the maximum night mode duration. And this is how you can enable night mode for 10 to 30 seconds on the iPhone 17, 17 Pro or the 17 Pro Max. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.